Welcome, friends! Today, Melissa sent me a unique challenge. Expecting her first grandchild, Melissa wants to use Midjourney to create something special. She's thinking animals, musical instruments, and a burst of colorful styles from Disney to watercolors. She's a hip 21st century grandma, swapping knitting booties for creating one-of-a-kind AI wall art. Congratulations, Melissa! In this video, we'll be using Midjourney to create custom nursery wall art featuring cute animals playing musical instruments. It's nursery decor with an artistic twist. Follow along and create your own wall art versions. At the end, I'll show you how to prepare these AI-generated images for printing as real wall art. Melissa shared some fantastic ideas for our starting point. And let's toss all of her brainstorm descriptions into the AI and see what we get. I'm using Midjourney version 5.2 today, mostly because I like the look, but go ahead and try the version 6 as well. We've got a cute little band here, but I think what Melissa has in mind is a set of images, each with one animal and one musical instrument. Let's start by getting Midjourney's spin on a giraffe playing the cello. It's nice, but probably not a good example of nursery art. Let's adjust the prompt a little. First, tell the AI what you're making. Nursery art. Also, let's add a few descriptions to the subject. Specify a cute baby animal. Nothing too intense for those little ones. And now, a soft sage green color. These images are much closer to what I think of when I think of cute art for the nursery. And once you have your base prompt, you can switch out the styles and the colors. Let's also switch out the animal and the instrument. Midjourney is capable of a huge range of colors, hundreds and hundreds of them. Use conversational language when referring to colors rather than hex codes or other technical ways of specifying colors. You won't get perfect images every time. Sometimes the giraffe isn't quite right, or the cello melts into the floor. Try re-rolling and switching around the words in your prompt. For these images, I'm just using Midjourney's default parameters, and that seems to be working okay for me. I'm using an aspect ratio of 1:1 and the default stylize of 100. Stylize is a measure of Midjourney beauty, and if you want more of the Midjourney aesthetic, you can go as high as stylize 1000. If you want to see some different options, increase your chaos value to 30. This will give you a variety of looks in your grid. And if you want to get a little bit crazy, add a touch of the weird. After you explore a bit, pick the image you like best, and let's build a collection of images around that one. We'll expand our ensemble with more animals and instruments in a similar style. We're going to keep the same seed to help all of our images share a common aesthetic. So find the image you like and send yourself a reaction. Specifically, the envelope emoji. You'll get a message from the Midjourney bot, and in that message is the seed. Copy it. In your prompt, type -- seed, space, and then copy it into your prompt. Now when you add your prompt and change the specifics, like the animal or the instrument, you should get something in the same line as your inspiration image. Using the same seed helps Midjourney maintain consistency across new images. The images should all look like they belong together. Now that we have our cute animal musicians, let's make them print ready. For this, I'm excited to introduce you to a couple of stellar tools from 123RF's Enhanced Plus plan. Specifically, their AI Image Upscaler and Background Remover. First up, the AI Image Upscaler. It's perfect for when you want to enlarge your AI images without losing quality. Watch how it transforms our cute creations. Just upload, click, and our giraffe now looks stunning in high resolution, ready for printing in large formats. And if you want to change the aspect ratio, use their AI Expand feature. You can change square images into tall or wide ones. But what if we want to change the background? Some of my favorite creations were just a little bit too busy. Let's put this drum-playing lion on a different backdrop. With just a few clicks, we have our lion isolated and ready to be placed on any background we choose, or ready to print on a sticker if we want. These tools from 123RF not only enhance the quality, but offer incredible flexibility in creative projects. And as a bonus for my viewers, use my exclusive promo code for a 30% discount on your first month with the 123RF Plus plan. Check out the link in the description to start transforming your AI art today. And when you're happy with your prints, use a print-on-demand service to make your images real. I use White House Custom Color, or WHCC, to print my wall art. You'll find a link in the description below. AI can transform your artistic visions into reality. Whatever your personal project, play around with different styles, and most importantly, have fun with your creations. Share your AI art projects and prompts in the comments below. If this video sparks some creative content, like the video and subscribe to the channel. This is Jen at Making AI Magic. Let's make something amazing together.